NFT Parent, back for another video. What is going on? Market is going crazy a little bit, at least compared to what we've been used to. We've got ETH well over $4,000. People have been saying it's coming ever since Tom Lee was talking about buying a bunch of it on CNBC. It's definitely taken off. So what does that do? Well, it brings a little interest to NFTs, which is nice. So we've got a resurgence and notable increase in trading volume. Floors, of course, it goes back to blue chips are the first ones. Let me read you some stats here. It says Ethereum-based NFTs totaled $10 million, making a 37% increase from the previous day, and that was just in the last 24 hours from when I'm recording this. Still down a little bit from prior weeks' figures, but it seems like it's going to be up there. But you've got it led by, like this is Pudgy Penguins, CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mini Pudgies, World of Women. I mean, you've got, it's really the blue chips are the first ones to go, the ones that everybody wanted in the last run and they didn't get, and then they've came way down, and now that it's getting popular again, they're all looking at the I always say, look at the teams that didn't quit building. We've got some really interesting ones. I mean, look at this. Just this is the last 7 days. You've got, Bored Apes plus 14%. Mutants 11%. Azukis 22%. It's these. Little Pudgies plus 8. You've got a lot of stuff moving fast, and you click on like Mutant Apes, and you'll see just the sales are. They're not just slow here and there. It's like every few minutes there's one. Sorry, I got a really bad connection right now, so maybe it's not going to show exactly what I want. But yeah, you've got the ones taking off like crazy. We've got Hytopia. I talk about these. We're going back to gaming that's taken off. We have Roblox powerhouse iRock Studios becomes first studio committed to build on Hytopia. This is big because this company has done stuff with Roblox. They have some of the fastest growing games in the industry, like their flagship title, Game Store Tycoon. They've had over 110 million game visits in that thriving community of more than 3 million fans. They're going to introduce Pawtopia on the Hytopia network. So you've got all kinds of stuff coming. The Hytopia worlds have been selling really good. They were flying off the shelves. So, keep an eye out of that. Obviously, none of this is ever financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But again, it goes back to the developers and the teams that never quit. So keep an eye on that. I'm not saying there's going to be some new ones come out that are going to take off, and some of the maybe not so popular ones eventually will take off if this keeps steamrolling here. But the first thing to always go are the blue chips, just like it is in the stock market and stuff like that. So definitely keep an eye on Pudgies, cryptos. ETH has been moving a lot. It got well over, it was up to what, 4,320 or so. And right now it's at 4,232. Bitcoin's up. So you've got ordinals also moving. So, hopefully I want to get to where everybody's demanding more videos so we can get more information out there. It's just been such a slow space for so long. It's hard to make a video all the time because it just doesn't get enough excitement if it's really slow market, but it seems to be picking up again, which definitely excites me. So definitely keep an eye on the most popular projects. If you're something you're interested in, take a look. If it still hasn't mooned yet and you can afford it, get in there and get it, because this stuff just seems to be moving up fast. And the more ETH goes up, usually the more these they go up for these collections. And I'm looking at a World of Women myself. I've always been looking at that. I've always wanted one of those, and they're going up in price, but I still think they have a lot to run if this momentum continue. So definitely keep an eye on what's going on. I appreciate you watching. Please let me know how often you want videos and what you want to see on these videos. I'm NFT Parent on all social media. NFT Parent on X is probably the best place to get me immediately. I check that all the time. I appreciate you watching, and please let me know what you want to see next. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.